All right, we could have gone a little deeper there, but should be good. So this bushing is an annoying style that I need to get this in there. That's more normal to do it. Chop the head off. Square it up. I forgot to show you pressing it on there. Wasn't anything too exciting. Just feed it on there. I put it in the machine, figured out the exact depth. I had to take a little back off because I mushroomed the end, but that's where we're at. And now I need the feed spot. Yeah. This is the mold that makes a big tank. Got it in there. Just about lined up.